Hey there folks, today we're going to talk about a nifty gadget that can bring a whole new level of security to your home. The Blink Outdoor 5 Camera Kit. If you tried of worrying about the safety of your property, this could be just what you need to put your mind at ease. Now I know what you might be thinking. Cameras? That sounds complicated and expensive. Well, fear not, my friend. The Blink Outdoor 5 camera kit is designed with simplicity and affordability in mind. It's a user-friendly system that won't break the bank. Let's dive into what makes this camera kit so special. First and foremost, it comes with 5 wireless weather resistance cameras. That means you can set them up both indoors and outdoors without having to worry about rain or shine. Whether you want to keep an eye on your front porch, backyard, or even inside your home, these cameras have got you covered. Installation? Piece of cake. You don't need to be a tech whiz to get these cameras up and running. The kit includes all the necessary components and detailed manual to guide you through the process. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and in no time you'll have your cameras strategically placed, ready to capture any suspicious activity. Okay, so the Blink Outdoor 5 cameras kit is easy to install. But how about its performance? Well, my friends, these cameras pack a punch. They capture high-definition video with crisp detail, day or night. With the infrared night vision feature, you can keep an eye on things even when it's pitch dark outside. So whether it's a mischievous raccoon rummaging through your garbage cans or a potential intruder, you won't miss a thing. But what happens when something triggers the cameras? I hear you asking. Great question. When motion is detected, the cameras will instantly send a notification to your smartphone via the Blink application. You can then view the live feed or access recorded footage from anywhere at any time. That means you can keep an eye on your property while lounging on the couch or sipping your favorite beverage at the local coffee shop. Speaking of the Blink app, it's worth mentioning that it's incredibly user-friendly. You can easily customize settings, adjust camera sensitivity, and create specific zones to focus on areas that matter most to you. Plus, if you want to expand your security system in the future, Blink offers additional cameras that seamlessly integrate with the kit. Let's not forget about battery life. The Blink Outdoor 5 camera kit is powered by AA lithium batteries, which can last for up 2 years. That's right, no need to constantly worry about charging or replacing batteries. It's a relief to have a low-maintenance security system that works tirelessly to keep your home safe. Now I know security is a serious matter, but the Blink Outdoor 5 camera kit managed to make it fun too. With its easy setup, reliable performance, and affordable price, it's like having your own little security squad. So kick back, relax, and let the Blink Outdoor 5 camera kit take care of your home's protection. All in all, if you're in the market for hassle-free, budget-friendly security solution, the Blink Outdoor 5 camera kit is definitely worth considering. It offers peace of mind, flexibility, and convenience without draining your bank account. Say goodbye to sleepless nights worrying about your home safety and hello to a new level of security. Stay safe, everyone.